Recording the sewer line here at 815 North 40th. The date's August 3rd, 2020. Recording this from the cleanout installed by Bob Oates here at the southwest corner of the house. What we're looking at right now is the Seattle City main. This is about 160 feet out, way down the line. This is part of a shared line with some of the neighboring houses here. So we're going to come back from that main, back into 6-inch original concrete pipe. We left all this shared line alone. You'll see the work that we did once we get way back closer to here. So clay there, back into concrete. And again, we are way out past where we did any work. So bear with me while we come back through this shared portion of the line. We've got some roots holding up the sewage a bit through that area. There's the neighbor tie-in up there on the left side of the screen. Coming back into 4-inch pipe here shortly. There's the 4-inch diameter shift, so back into 4-inch line now. It's another neighbor tie-in right there on the left side of the screen. Here's a tie-in there, possibly a downspout. So we should be coming back into the liner. Yep, there's the liner there. So we lined some of this pipe downstream. This is our repair we installed. So we repaired this section at the turn, the 90-degree turn on the southwest side of the house. And then we went with a liner upstream as well. So we'll go now through the upstream clean out. There's the start of the liner heading back up towards the house. Left a very small gap in the liner here to allow a 2-inch drain line to continue to function. See on the left side of the screen, there's that tie-in spot. And then it comes back into the house. There's a little piece of tape that'll fall off over time. And we're back inside the foundation now. So this is the cast iron pipe back into black ABS pipe that is inside underneath the house in the foundation. So we lipped the liner right into that around that turn. So that's the end of the video. We did 30 feet of lining here and installed a repair here at the corner where we were having some failing issues. Ending the video there.